Cara, vai ultrapassar na frente dos policiais.
Vai.
Tá pronto?
Tá, já tá gravando.
Tá pronto. Buona day, I'm gonna come out to a bigger hotel. In the morning I go down to eat a breakfast. I call the waitress, I want 2 pieces of toast. She brings me only 1 piece. I tell the waiter I want a 2 piece. He said, go to the toilet. You said, I don't understand, I want a piece on my plate. And you see it, she said, you better not pizza on the plate, you son of a bitch. I even know the lady, she called me son of a bitch. So later I go down to a bigger restaurant. The waitress brings a spoon, a knife, but no fork. I called the waitress, I want a deep fork. She said, everybody want a fork. You don't understand? I want a fork on the table. She said, you better not fork on the table, you son of a bitch. So I go back to my hotel and there's no sheets on the bed. I called the manager, I want a sheet. And he said, you better go to the toilet. He said, you don't understand? I want a sheet on my bed. And she said, you better not shit on the bed, you son of a bitch. So I got down and the desk man said, piss you too. I said, piss you too, son of a bitch. I'm gonna back to Italy. Arrivederci.